Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to use O3 Mini and explore its top features. So without wasting further time, let's get started. O3 Mini is a lightweight and optimized version of OpenAI new model series. It's designed for quick response, efficient computing and cost effectiveness while still being super powerful. Fast performance, quick response time for chatting and tasks, low cost, user forever resources making it ideal for casual user, best for everyday tasks, summarizing, answering questions and content creation. O3 Mini handles tasks quickly and effectively. For writer, quick content generation, developer basic coding assistant, general users, fast response for every queries. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.